Video, we're going to start to look at the accounting features that we provide. We really provide two levels of accounting. The default level is what you can see on the finance dashboard. It's where you can get a very simple P&L. Alternatively, we can enable the full accounting features where you can view a trial balance sheet, and you can also import your chart of accounts. But most customers require a very simple P&L. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the simple P&L. If I click on the simple P&L, prompting me to define a financial year, and this allows me to look at different financial years. So if I click on here, I'm going to set up a financial year which is based on my tax year. I click on Save. Immediately it translates all the data from my invoices and my expenses into a P&L. I can toggle from one to the other. You can quickly print it out just by clicking on the quick report. You can also export all the data using the Excel report at the bottom. You can also drill in and look at the detail. So for example, travel costs, click on here, mileage, and you can see all the transactions that make up this line in the P&L. If you have a lot of data, you can use the search fields at the bottom of the list to search for particular items. If you enable projects or properties or jobs, then that filter will appear at the top. Then you can get a P&L for each property or project automatically. So to summarize, getting a simple P&L, it just requires you to set up the financial year and the system automatically creates the P&L for you. I would emphasize for companies that have a more complex requirement, accounting requirement, we can also enable the accounting features, which introduces a whole new level of complexity, and we'll cover that in another video. But just to summarize, the vast majority of small businesses have a very simple accounting requirement, and Rhino provides that with a minimum of effort.